Around 90% of drivers have no idea their own car is hiding features. And here's the kicker. One of them can literally save you thousands in repairs. Yet most people ignore it every single day. Before you waste another dollar, let's uncover 5 hidden car features no one talks about. Don't skip this. Let's dive in. Secret number 5, your AC's hidden superpower. Ever find yourself stuck in traffic behind a diesel truck that looks like it belongs in a post-apocalyptic movie? Thick smoke, nasty smells, instant headache. Here's the twist. Your car already has a built-in defense against that, and most drivers barely think twice about it. That small dashboard button showing a car with a circular arrow isn't just there for aesthetics. Here's the kicker. It's your vehicle's personal air quality shield. The moment you press it, your car stops pulling in polluted outside air and starts reusing the cleaner air already inside the cabin. Most people assume this button only recirculates air, but most drivers don't realize it does much more than that. By blocking exhaust fumes, dust, and even those surprise farm smells on rural roads, it helps protect your lungs from all kinds of airborne junk. And it gets better. In extreme heat, using this feature can improve your AC's efficiency by up to 20%. That means your cabin cools faster, your system works less, and there's less long-term wear on your air conditioning components. What nobody tells you is this: because less dirty air is coming in, your cabin air filter doesn't clog as quickly. Fewer contaminants means fewer replacements, and that's one less costly service visit you have to deal with. So next time you hit traffic or drive through polluted areas, don't ignore that button. It's not just comfort. It's smart, money-saving design hiding in plain sight. And trust me, the next secret is going to shock you. Secret number 4, the traction control button. That dashboard icon showing a car with squiggly lines behind it. Here's the kicker. Most drivers have no clue what it actually does, and that ignorance can put you straight into a ditch. That button controls your traction control system, and knowing when to use it, or when to turn it off, can be the difference between staying in control and getting stranded. Here's how it works. Traction control is designed to stop your wheels from spinning when you accelerate on slippery surfaces. Ice, rain-soaked roads, loose gravel. This system automatically reduces engine. There are moments when traction control actually works against you. If you're stuck in deep snow, thick mud, or loose sand, your car sometimes needs a bit of wheel spin to claw its way out. Traction control senses that spin and immediately cuts power, exactly when you need it most. That's when a quick press of this button temporarily disables the system, allowing you to power through and get moving again. Most drivers never touch this button, let alone understand it. And that's the scary part. Knowing when to toggle traction control doesn't just help you avoid being stuck. It makes you look like a driving pro while everyone else is helplessly spinning their tires. Just remember one thing: once you're free, turn it back on. And speaking of buttons that can save you money and headaches, the next secret might surprise you. Secret number 3, the hidden key hiding inside your key fob. Picture this: you're standing outside your car, pressing the unlock button again and again. Nothing. Your key fob is dead, it's late, and panic starts creeping in. But here's the twist. Your car already has a built-in backup that most drivers never notice. Inside that sleek key fob is a hidden mechanical key, and it can literally save your day. Most people don't realize this, but there's usually a small latch or release switch on the side or back of the fob. Slide it, press it, and boom, a real, old-school key pops out. And it gets better. The keyhole on your car is often hidden too, usually tucked behind a small plastic cover on the door handle. It's designed to stay out of sight, so the car looks clean and modern, but it's always there when electronics fail. Here's the kicker. Many drivers go years without ever discovering this feature. Then, one day, a dead fob battery or electronic glitch leaves them stranded. Calling a locksmith and paying $200 or more for a problem their car could have solved in seconds. Once you know about this backup key, you'll never stress over a dead fob again. It's not just an emergency solution. It's a smart design choice that adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind. So next time you hold your key fob, remember, it's hiding a secret weapon. Secret number 2. Your dashboard might be warning you about the road. Most drivers think warning lights only matter when something breaks. Here's the kicker. Your car may already be warning you about dangerous road conditions, and you're probably ignoring it. That small snowflake icon on your dashboard isn't seasonal decoration. Here's the twist. It's connected to a temperature sensor that alerts you when outside conditions are cold enough for roads to become slippery, even if they look completely dry. When temperatures drop near freezing, bridges, overpasses, and shaded areas can ice over without warning. That's why safety agencies report hundreds of thousands of crashes every year linked to icy conditions, many of them happening because drivers never realized the risk until it was too late. Some newer vehicles take this even further. Instead of a simple warning, the indicator can change colors, shifting from yellow to red when temperatures reach a critical danger zone. And the most advanced systems don't stop there. Most people don't realize this, but some cars actually share road condition data with other vehicles nearby, creating a rolling network of real-time safety alerts. Think about that for a second. It's like having dozens of invisible weather scouts driving ahead of you, constantly reporting back about potential hazards on the road. So the next time that snowflake lights up, don't brush it off. It's not trying to scare you. It's trying to keep you out of a ditch. And that's some seriously smart technology worth paying attention to. Ready to keep going? Secret number 1: compartments hidden under seats. While many drivers complain about limited storage space, they're often overlooking a hidden treasure built right into the car's interior. Many SUVs, minivans, and trucks come with concealed storage compartments under the seats or floor. Yet, most owners never notice or use them. Car makers have been sneaking in secret storage compartments for years. Here's the kicker. These compartments aren't just for extra stuff. They give you a neat place to store emergency tools, valuables, or personal items, keeping them out of sight when you're parked in public. Some are even waterproof, perfect for items that could get damaged. And here's the twist. Most drivers never realize these compartments exist, so your car may already have a hidden space that's been protecting your stuff without you ever knowing. If these secrets save you money, hit the like button and subscribe for next video.